Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave an emoji in the comment section just to let me know that you want to see more of these types of videos. So today's video is a requested video and I've been requested to translate single, married, divorced, and widow. But I will split up the videos into 4 separate videos. This video is for single. How you say single in tree is Osigyani, 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 Osigyani. Look at that G. And the Y gives you a J sort of sound. Osigyani, Osigyani, Osigyani. Single, Osigyani, Osigyani, Osigyani. I am single, meye, Osigyani, meye, Osigyani, meye. Osigyani, meye, Osigyani, me, my, or I, ye. Again, it's that sort of doing word to be doing. Meye, I am. Osigyani, single. Meye, Osigyani. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.